Hi everybody, this is Donna with Fig Basket Crochet and Creative. Welcome to You Can Crochet, micro lesson number 2, the slip knot. Let's see what we can do here. First of all, you've got your yarn and you've got your hook. You want to measure out about 2 feet of yarn to work with. Just get that unrolled from the skein and you'll be fine. Then we want to start the yarn that we're going to work with. So measure out about 4 post-it note lengths worth of yarn, 3 and 4. But hold that 4th length between the thumb and index finger of your right hand and the thumb and index finger of your left hand. Then you want to bring those together and make them kiss. Mwah! And then you want to hold that between the thumb and index finger of your right hand. I want you to notice something here. The top end is the one that goes to the skein, and that's called the working end of the yarn. The bottom part is the part that goes to the tail or the end of the yarn. So make sure you've got it that way. And then I want you to hold that between your index finger and thumb of your right hand. Then go back with your middle finger, I don't know, an inch or 2. And then let's go from behind. And then you want to bring that behind the loop, push it through, and grab that length of yarn between the thumb and index finger of your left hand. Let go with your right hand, pull down about an inch into the tail, hold that. You've got a little pretzel here, and pull. And look at that. You have got yourself a slip knot. Let's go through that again a little more smoothly. To get rid of this loop, I just pull both ends and it's gone. All right, so let's measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Holding on to the 4, fold it over, make them kiss. Mwah! Take this, pull a loop through, pull, and we've got our slip knot. One more time, and then I've got a little dance for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, kiss, go behind, pull the loop, done. Yay. All right, let's do a little chant so that you can remember how to do this on your own. All right. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Make them kiss from behind. Pull the loop. Done. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make them kiss from behind. Pull the loop. Done. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make them kiss from behind, pull the loop. Done. Now this loop is too big to work with, right? So what do? We want to hold the tail end between our right thumb and index finger, and then you're going to pull the working end until the loop is just bigger than the head of your crochet hook. And let's check that out here. All right, so what you want to do is this. Look at that, it goes in nice and easy, but it's not too big. In fact, I might want to tighten it a little bit more. You never want to have to struggle to get your hook into the slip knot loop. All right, should be nice and easy, but not too big. And there you go. You can watch this over and over again. Remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, make them kiss from behind, pull the loop, done. All right, just remember that little mnemonic device and you should be good to go. You should be able to do this several times without really thinking about it. So just do that over and over again if you are brand new to slip knots. Thank you, friends. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button if you liked this video, and I'll see you soon for lesson 3, which will be the chain stitch. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.